Today, we will be discussing how to change the inlet on a Series 80,000 reel. If you must change the location of your Series 80,000 reel inlet, you will need to remove the pipe plug installed from the factory. Please be aware that this plug is highly torqued and will require leverage and the correct tools to loosen it without damaging the reel. Once the plug is removed, install it into the other side of the reel and tighten it into the fluid path. Install your swivel into the fluid path where the pipe plug was removed. Now you're ready to use your Series 80,000 reel. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.